Black 200 right here. Let's see what's going on. Oh, she left the keys right here. I guess she ain't worried about nobody stealing it because it will not run. Now let's see what kind of symptoms these things give off. All right. Oh, Lord. Push start. Oh, brand new battery. Does she suspect this battery? Guys, absolutely nothing. If this just a dead battery, I'm gonna be highly upset because I told her to try to get a jump start. All right, before I jump the gun, let me pop the hood. Let me go grab my jump box and see if I can jump start this thing. Whoa, look at this. Guys, this is no good. These connections have to be 100% on point. Look at that. So even if the battery is good, oh my goodness. Let me go grab my jump box. All right, let's see. Guys, I still have yet to upload the review on this jump box. One of the best jump boxes out there. Okay. Might try to reach out to them, see if they want me to help them sell some of these, because this is a nice jump box. Now, be careful, guys. Don't just assume red is positive. Yes, we would like to think that, but look at the battery itself. There's a plus right there. So I will assume that's positive. Now it's 2.8. Let's put this at full 12. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. I don't see any lights inside. Oh boy. Normally this would be lit up. I'll have some kind of light in here. So this is what she mean by no crank. All right, let me make sure I got a good connection outside. All right, from the looks of things, I do. Let me do it this way, guys. This is a little trick. Not really a trick, but in the event you suspect you're not getting a good enough ground from the battery, and especially in a case like this where the connections, look at that. Here, guys, take your negative post of your jump box or jumper cables, whatever you use. Try to get a negative. Look around somewhere on the engine, not on the computer. Let's do this block right here. Uh-oh, y'all see that? Spark. Y'all know what that means? That obviously a good ground. Let's see what we got now. Yep, look at that, guys. Okay, buddy, we on to something. Let's see if we start. There we go. We're now started and running. All right. Okay, guys, that's 100% tells me this stuff here got to go. There's some bad connections going on right here and on the positive side. So by any rate, I'm gonna swap cars with her because might need some parts, some dealer type parts. I'm headed to the dealer. Today's my off week, but I got some things to do anyway. So like I say, this battery is not that old. It's not. I don't think it's a dead battery. I think it's a connection issue. We got to get this out of here, guys. You're gonna look at that. You're gonna always have problems with connections like that. All right. Let me put this in the car because I'm taking this car with me. We got any room back here? Turn it off. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab a few things. I'm gonna grab some things out of the PT and swap cars. So y'all stay tuned, man. Give me a second. I'll be back. Okay, goodbye, PT. I'll be back. Stay here. Be safe. Don't go anywhere. Papa be back. I am running off in a black. What is this? 200. Don't nobody, please. This is a nice neighborhood, so I don't look like no thieves around here, but please don't bother my PT. Please, I beg of you people. It's just sitting over there. It ain't bothering nobody. So, all right, guys, let's get it. Guys, I will keep y'all up to date. This is actually, we're going to learn something today, guys. We're going to learn something about connections, okay? How important they are. Not just a good battery, because according to her, that is a good battery. She just bought this one for insurance. So what I'm going to do is put that battery on our special, one of the greatest battery testing tools out there. We call it a GR8. So I'm going to put that on the tester. It's going to deep charge it, and it's going to test its ability to hold a load, okay? Because that is the most part of the battery. It has to be able to hold a load. So if the GR8 tell me the battery is good, we're going to keep the battery and just repair the connection. If the GR8 come back saying battery failed, ta-da! Already got one ready. All right, guys, so I'm about to get on the main road. So let me get to the stop sign, make some adjustment, and I will see y'all in a second, man. I'll keep y'all up to date, let you know what's going on. Follow me, baby. Follow me. Online Mechanic Tips, JT, the car guy. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, here we go, guys. I can't do it, player. I have to get some here's the new battery cables I'm about to install. I got a positive. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to look, okay? The cables have been redesigned. All right, so I got a new positive and I have a new negative. If I'm gonna do it right, I'm gonna do it right. That's how the negative look. So when I'm done with this, it's gonna look like it's supposed to do. Now, but for now, I'm gonna get this battery off and set it on the GR8 battery charging. Like I explained earlier, that thing will do a deep charge on it. Check the cells in the battery, make sure they're good, and we should be good to go. She shouldn't have this problem no more. So guys, try to get out of the habit of doing that. That is not good. That'll leave you stranded. This is a young lady with kids. She do not need to keep being stranded. It's like the third time this has happened. Okay, in some cases she can't even jump it off. So that means the connection between the terminal and the battery terminal are lost. Okay, but we're gonna get that straightened out, guys. All right, stay tuned. Let's get it, man. All right, guys. Well, that settles that debate. Here's the battery. That is 200. And ladies and gentlemen, drum roll, please. It is bad. That's right, guys. Did a deep charge on the battery. Then it attempted to measure the cold cranking out. The cold cranking out measured, let me get this glare out of here. What is that, 322? When it's rated at 600, okay? So this car calls for a 600 cold cranking out battery. This one measured 322. And just, you can see the recommendations for me to replace the battery. So she did good having a battery in the car. So guys, what I'm gonna do is replace the cables and the freaking battery. Look at this. I don't know what people think this will do. A guy can get away with this because he know if he have an intermittent no start, he can just come out here and probably turn his cables and fire right up and move on his way. Some guys are reckless like that, but when your significant other is driving or female, no, I don't advise doing this. Okay, so I got work to do, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going where I will be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. I am officially done. Okay, I am finished, guys. As you can see, this look a lot better. Connection is a lot more tighter. Now, this positive cable gave me some problems, guys. As you know, it routes all the way down there to the back, and the connection part to the starter was really painful. Okay, yes, it was very painful. I was starting to feel I didn't charge enough, and I still think I didn't charge enough, but I'm a nice guy and you learn from your mistakes. Okay, now the positive cable also came with a terminal that goes to the fuse box. All right, and it's fairly easy. It goes in, it's only gonna fit in one slot. So guys, there you have it, man. We got ourselves a new ground wire. That ground wire actually routes through here and bolts to the transmission. Okay, so hopefully your transmission is nice and ground to the frame. So got to have that good ground, and of course the power supply. One lead goes to the starter, and the other lead goes to the fuel box. And guys, also on the positive side is the alternator, so you can't forget that. Take a look at that harness. I think it's this one right here. It routes all the way through under the exhaust to your alternator. Okay, in some cases they will include that harness in the positive cable harness. Okay, so guys, I am done. That battery failed. Got a new die-hard. Y'all know what that means. I have no idea what that means. Only 2 companies in the world, from what I hear, makes batteries. So from there, everybody just stick their names on the battery and go from there. But I'm not going to get into that because that's a huge debate for another day. All right, guys, I am done. Let me go back, get my PT Cruiser, deliver this. She shouldn't have any more intermittent no crank. Okay, no crank, guys. Difference between a no crank and a no start. I want y'all to understand that. Right now, I'm gonna end this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.